Hey, in front of me is Motorola Moto E22 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone. Now just click on device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Joey. When you're ready, choose OK and then select OK in this pop-up in order to save your changes. As you can see, after that, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!